We are in Shanghai Festival 2013, and what a surprise!
Really nice
we
meeting
have,
you.
yeah, we have Helly, and who has been our special guest speaker. So how are you?
I'm doing great. Really nice meeting you, sister.
Yeah. So what brings you here?
Actually, see, this is the first time for me. I mean,
First time in Shanghai.
yes, first time in Shanghai. No, I mean this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had come already 3 times, 3 to 4 times.
Okay.
But what to say? What to say? I love to come over here every day. I mean, you know, because I love to see what is the different kinds of people over here. You know, I mean, this is really beyond my expectation.
I
Like,
know, and look at this. Like, I mean, so unexpectedly we met.
yes, this is one of the nicest part.
Yeah, and I didn't even recognize you. If you didn't call me, I would be like, oh, who is that?
Yeah, most probably because of my cap also. Like,
Oh, you are looking very good.
thank you so
How's
much.
your work going on?
My work is
Development from the last time we spoke.
yeah. But I would love to disclose maybe some other time.
So there's some big thing coming up.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, after we had our interview, there has been an amazing response on your podcast, I have to say.
Unexpectedly.
And a lot of the viewers obviously are from girls and the female crowd.
Yeah.
A lot of likes and people from around the world even you know, left messages asking, oh, you know, who is the modeler? Is the modeler from India or is it from some other places? So yes, congratulations on you capturing people's mind, and I'm sure you know you're going to go forward. So how about sharing a little a message for the viewers of Finding Your Voices?
Okay. See, I'm so happy that I feel so happy to know that you know you guys are around me, and I could feel that your love and caring towards me, and I wish you good luck, and I wish you good luck from my side. I have no words now, to be honest. But anyways, I love you guys, and also I'm wishing you good luck to your life and work hard. That's all I can say. I feel really lucky to meet you. I mean, personally, I mean in real, yeah. Previously we had spoken, I mean, quite 2 to 3 times, but that's on phone only. But what's it? Physically, I mean, it's really different. I mean, personal meeting and on phone, you know, conversation. They're quite. There are lots of difference. And I feel lucky. I consider myself lucky to meet you as person, like. And I would love to wish you good luck, and what to say, I hope I'm expecting a lot from you, and from you and from your company. Like.
Yeah, sure. So thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
I look forward for the big announcement.
Definitely, yeah. Thank you so much.